Hi everyone, welcome back to Beam Clue Revit tutorial. So in this session, we're going to continue to look at our level 1 toilet over here. Okay, so obviously we have one common bathroom which is situated at along the corridor, so everyone can share this bathroom over here. Then we have a master bathroom over here also for the master bedroom. Okay, then I assume that it might have some a little bit different of design in terms of design. Okay, so from the layout plan over here, we can see there will be a WC back latch over here, but it's using the cistern type of the WC water closet. But I think that it will be more suitable to use the wall mounted type, and then the latch as at least it serves certain purpose that conceal the water cistern. Okay, so we have a concealed type of water cistern, something like this. Okay, that's normally what we did, and then the WC bracket, and then we will use this wall mounted type with the button. So this is what normally we can see with the toilet with the back latch, or else you won't need that back latch over here because it's occupied some space. Okay, then if you have a concealed type of WC, then it will save your space for this water closet cistern, one piece of it here. Okay, so let's see what's my meaning over here. Okay, so first of all, we choose our water closet. Okay, go to here, and we choose this wall mounted type. Okay, so this looks is better. Then we copy this, Control C, together with the bracket. You can use this bracket also. Control C, then go to level 1, then Control V, paste it over here. Okay, just place something like this. Finish. Then what we normally do is we move that water closet into the latch over here. So that's what I mean of a toilet back latch. Yeah. So moved a bit more. Then before that, position at the middle first. Okay, so we have a enclosure here. So let's make the closed WC back latch first, and then with the shower area. Okay, then we use the wall type. Make sure you use the wall type which is same as here. So create similar, because I'm going to use the same type of towel in this bathroom over here. Okay, so draw like this, then have a look at the 3D view. Let's see what happened here. So this is our toilet. Yeah, ensure that your towel is facing. Oops. Okay, this is the wall that we have drawn just now. Yeah, so the towel looks like it's at the other side. Then never mind, we come back to the plan view, use the flip button to flip it, then move it to the here. Okay, then make sure give a dimension first. Allow something like 200 mm inside here. I think 250. Okay, the clearance of the brick, internal brick. Okay, but sometimes you see that 250, then how much you left the space over here, 1 meter plus only, which is too small, I think. So you better move that another 50 going into here. Okay, the wall is 150, which is normal. Then we just put the wall there up to here. Okay, so allow the clearance something like 850, something like that, inside the toilet. Okay, then complete to draw this, create similar, then complete here. Okay, so that's the shower area. Then the toilet latch over here, move it slightly out here. Then we create similar. Make sure that wall height is not up to the roof. Yeah, so you must select unconnected over here. Then you make it like 1200 height of the wall. Okay, something like this. Move that like this. Okay, then have a 3D view here. Okay, this is the 3D view, so that's what we have drawn just now. Okay, and remaining space is not much for your basin. Okay, then actually this bathroom is really small. Okay, move this water cistern to the place. Okay, measure here 820, then make sure it's at the center. So DL for the detail line, draw a line over here to snap the center point. So this is a center point. So make sure your cistern is around here. Okay, then move that to the surface like this. Okay, then you partially the water cistern should be concealed inside the brick wall. Yeah, so delete that. Then WC, move the WC to here. Oh, with the button, of course. This is the button. Then move that flush button to here. To adjust the height. Okay, this will be the height. Okay. The water inlet will be somewhere around here. Okay, this will be the height. Then the button will be at the middle of this box over here. So internal flushing mechanism is inside here. Yeah, and move this to the center. Okay, that's done. Nice. Okay, then top. Okay, below here. Base offset is -50. This is also same, -50. Okay, look at the 3D view. Okay, we have done this. Then the top part, make sure is aligned to the top. Okay, that's nice. Then the rest of the thing here, I will just copy paste the ground floor toilet because this is a common bathroom. Yeah, go to the ground floor, copy everything over here up to level 1. Okay, copy everything, Control C, then back to here. You can choose a paste align to current view. It's also okay, which is it will align to exactly the same place at ground floor. From ground floor, then up to level 1. Yeah, if you want to align exactly the elements copied from ground floor to level 1, we use this copy and paste to current view. Yeah, so move that back to here first. Then the rest of things that you need to do is adjust the setting out of each element. Yeah, so this is the one. Move that to here. Then the toilet paper holder. It's not even have the proper place to put the toilet paper holder. It's quite small toilet. Okay, like this. However, manage to place. Okay, so the 3D views will look like this. Everything's done. Then you need to cover this, to cover the top of this here. Then normally what we will do is use the model in place. Then come to architecture. You can choose the component model in place. Then Either you can select the generic model or the floor, it's also okay. Then you just model an extrusion cover over here. Okay, that's 20 mm or 25 mm will do. Okay, then the finishing, of course you need to choose the finishes. Okay, choose something like this one will do, and finish the model. Then go to the side view to adjust the height, of course. This is a piece, and move that, go up. Okay, normally if you use model in place, it's hosted on this reference plane. If you want to use that, you need to use the copy function to copy another one up to here. Then delete the original one. Then from the 3D view, you will look like this. Okay, have done your toilet, common bathroom. Then WA is for the raw wall. Of course, you need to model a glass screen, shower screen. Okay, you don't have shower screen, then you come back to here. Okay, this is the one. Copy that. Back to level 1 here. Paste to here. Move that to here. Something like this. Okay. Then 3D view. Okay, that's nice. Done. Then for the rest of the things that you need to do is to model the cabinet. Then of course, if you want to model your cabinet using the same ways of modeling, then you have to be careful. This time there is a windows over here that you need to avoid. Okay, normally what we can fit is just one mirror and a few open shelf over here. Okay, then see, that's enough for this toilet. Then we go to the master bathroom here. Okay, using the same method, we create a shower area first. The box up for the shower area normally is used to conceal the sanitary piping. And use a create similar function to draw a wall over here. Okay, this serves as a wall. Flip this to face the finishes at outside. Then make a clearance of 200 mm inside here. So align this wall up to here. Okay, then we have 200 mm clearance now. Then we move that but to here. Then create similar. Then finish this box up. Okay, that's done. Then move that slightly inside here. Then by using the same way, copy this shower screen back to here. Okay, that's very quickly because we have all the families in place. Now where are we? Okay, here. So what we need to do is just paste everything to the desired location. Okay, from here looks like we have something different, which is we have a toilet latch, and then we have a countertop, which is the basin. Looks like it's a recessed type of basin under counter. Yeah, so it doesn't matter. We can use the WA to model the wall first. Using the same way, create similar. Make sure that here, not so high and not so low. Yeah, looks like here you need something like the height. Okay, up to the level, then unconnected. Make it like 1 meter. 1 meter will do. Then just start to draw this up to here first. So let's check it out. What happened? use the section toolbox here, selection box, then view the 3D view of this toilet. Okay, we still also have windows over here that we need to take care of it later. So what we did is we modeled the toilet latch, and then we have modeled the shower area latch here. Then the rest of the thing is you need to model WC. So back to this 3D view over here, select a suitable WC. Okay, this is electrical type, which is not quite suitable in this case. We use this. Then of course you can utilize the bracket. Okay, this is floor seating type, so you don't need a bracket. Okay, copy. Then back to level 1 here. Then we Control V, paste to here. Okay, that's done. Okay, this is we still have a bracket over here. Forget. We can move that to here. Using the section box here to check it out. This will be the WC bracket, allowing the mounting of the WC. To here, okay. So that's normally what we did. Okay, this not here. This thing like here. Okay, so the 3D view of this, if you want to see, it will be something like this. Okay, this will be the bracket, and then here will be the cistern, then WC. Yeah. Okay, back to close this. Number 1. Quickly, we need to finish this before we go to MEP services. Okay, 90 degrees. Then move this to here, center. So where's the center? You need to draw a line first. So this will be the center. Move that to here. Cistern, 90 degrees. Oops, just space bar will do. And come back to here. Middle. We're going to adjust the height later on. Okay. Then toilet paper holder and hand bidet, we can use the same. Not much difference. Yeah. Just Control C, or we use the copy function to copy and paste to here. Okay, rotate it 90 degrees and paste to here. Slightly move. Okay. So now is the countertop over here. Then we will use this type of countertop. Come back to 3D view here. We will select some nicer water tap like this. This is high spout, this is low spout. Yeah, we will use this type. Okay, or this type is also okay. This is automatic type. Okay, then we use this type, low spout, because it's a recessed one. It's on the above countertop one, above the toilet top. Then we'll use this high spout. Yeah. Normally, then we use the recessed type, then we use the lower spout one. Okay. And we copy this first. Back to here, paste here. Okay. 3D view again. Selecting the here, the basin, I will select this one. Try to use this. Control C. This is what we call the above counter, yeah? It will be installed above the counter. Then it will say semi-recess, partially recess into the counter. And this will be the totally recessed type. Control C. Control V. Okay, then we rotate it to the correct position. Something like this one will do, yeah? Then move to the desired position. Somewhere about here. Okay, that little bit inside. Okay, that would be nice. Then the next thing is you need to model. Let's cut a section first to check what are all the height of these fittings over here. So we need to cut through the section of the WC button and then this one. Yeah. Go to the view. Then you can see the cistern height somewhere like this. Okay, then we still remain some height of here. Okay, this is the top of the cistern. So it looks like we need to lower it down a bit. Okay, this will be the button. So sometimes if you need to consider that type of the cistern, and then because it will affect the height of the basin over here. So normally basin you won't be installed at higher than 1 meter. So that will be the limitation of your cistern that you need to coordinate. Because if you want the one piece of countertop, let's say, if you are not understand, let's model the countertop first. Normally it will be one piece without a different height, yeah. So we come back to architecture component. Then we try to model in place. Model in place. Let's use the generic model. Okay, generic model type. Okay, then we model an extrusion. One piece of countertop over here. Because you want it to be nice, so you will be normally you will use the one piece countertop. Yeah, move that in. Finish here. So one piece. So finish. Then let it to be choose your finishes. Metal, matte white, not really. Ivory glossy, okay, maybe this one. Then finish that. Okay, then we go to the section view. Go to the view. So this is your countertop. Let's measure the height. Make it to be 1 meter. The height like this. So move your counter. Use the copy function. Remove the constraint. Move this over here. Then the rest of the thing like this, like water tap. And then this will be your basin. Normally it will be under here. Okay. Then if you place your counter, then you need to cut an opening for your basin. So edit in place, select this one, then edit extrusion. So let's make an opening for your basin. Follow the shape of it. Okay, finish that, finish the model. So let's go to the 3D view to see what I mean just now. Okay, select everything like this here, selection box, Z enter if you can't see. Okay, this is what I mean. Okay, okay, I need to move that up again. Copy function. Okay, remove the constraint, place to here. Delete this one. So from the 3D view, you can see that okay, the height of your brick over here, you cannot access this countertop. So first you need to align this, align to the bottom surface. Okay, lower it down. Basically, of course, let's lower it down like this. So you can see that your system is protruding out. So be careful. If you choose the system, if you have to be careful. So it can't exceed the height required by your basin. If you move your basin too high, then it's not convenient for you to wash your hand, because it might wet your elbow, and water will be dripped through your elbow to the floor. Yeah, so that's why we fix the height of the basin to not more than 1 meter. Normally it will be lower even for certain Asian country, like 850 to 900 height. Okay, so this one you need to make it lower. So you know that this model is not suitable for this toilet. Then you have to go to your supplier to inform them to change the model of your system. So most of the time we will encounter this kind of coordination issue that you need to be careful. Okay, so move that button up so you can access to the flushing mechanism. Then some client concern also, sometimes you will listen to the certain complaint of the client that if you open your seat cover, it will hit the button. It does matter to certain client, but in most of the case that it looks like you can't avoid, unless that you can specify that you have a different height of the WC latch compared to your basin. But it won't be nice. You can see the 3 elements with different heights over here, so looks not proper. Okay. Then for the rest of the thing over here, you can model in place a cabinet at the bottom here to cover up everything. So let's do so. I go to level 1 again. WA is for the wall, or else we can use this model in place again to build a furniture over here. Okay, furniture 5. Then we can build a nice cabinet or wooden cover to cover up everything here. Just follow this line. Then of course you can make a slight offset inside, let's say like a 5 mm. So not copy, just to cover all the items below. So like 25 mm will do. Okay, finish that. Choose your material, wood. Okay, let's use this cherry. Finish. Then use the section tool to have a look. Move your cherry wood up to here, like this. Then from the 3D views, it will look like this. Okay. Then below here, there will be the border trap. So we copy a border trap over here. Just copy, then paste to here. $90 degrees. Move to here. Use the section tool to cut a section to adjust the height and the length. Okay, move that up. Move that behind. Okay, that's nice. Done. Okay, that's generally will be your master bathroom. Okay, if the color scheme is not nice, then you add it in place. Let's say you want to choose the lighter type of wood, maybe the birch type of wood will be nicer, or the pine. Finish. Okay, that's much warmer. Okay, then the rest, use the same method to model your cabinet over here, then you are done. Before that, choose a good shower set from here. Okay, what's the best shower set here? Looks like this is the one, the most expensive one, which the handle, mixer, everything looks nice. Copy, paste here, then rotate it 90 degrees, then place it to your wall around the center, then adjust the height from the elevation if you want. Okay, that will be the elevation. Go to the view. So looks nice. Then check the height. Normally the handle height will be okay. Looks like everything you need to bring down 50 mm because the wall, there's a 50 mm drop inside the toilet. Okay, so always check your elevation height. Okay, then move that down, move this down, this, move down. By right, this also needs to move down, yeah? But due to time constraint, I just make it, let it be, okay? DL for the line, then make sure the height of the shower will be something like 2001. Then here will be about 700 to 900. Make sure this one is 900, about 900. Okay, so let's move everything up to 900 line. Okay, that's nice. Then back to the 3D view again. Okay, that's your master bathroom. Okay, so I guess that's all for this session. You can use the same method to model the cabinet over here. Then if you have forget what method we have used to create the cabinet here, you can always go to our previous video. Then we have shown you how we model the 3D of this ground floor toilet over here. You can use the same method to model and complete. I can show you here. This is the previous work we have done. So we create cabinets over here. So this is the cabinet. Okay. Later on, we can show you how to put on LED lights at the top or at the bottom. Then you can see a nicer rendering view from here. Okay, so I guess that's all for this session. Thanks for joining.